I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use picture-in-picture mode when FaceTiming on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one is to pull up a FaceTime with whomever you'd like. I'm FaceTiming my mom right now as an example. So to use picture-in-picture mode, essentially what this means is you're going to be able to view the person that you're on a FaceTime call with while also being able to do other things on your phone. So step one is to tap on your phone screen just so you can see that you have an active FaceTime, and then you're going to swipe up from the bottom like you're going home. Now, as you can see, I can only see my mother's camera right here, or the recipient's camera. Now you are in picture-in-picture mode. You can swipe, you can do anything you'd like. You can also take this view of the person that you're on a call with and drag it to the side, out of the way. You'll see this little arrow, meaning it's off screen. If you tap that, it'll bring it on screen for you. And then you can bring it up to the top if you'd like, or the left. Either corner is essentially where it goes. If you try to bring it into the middle, it will not go there. And if you swipe it off of the screen, it will have that arrow for you to bring it back whenever you'd like. And now you know how to use picture-in-picture mode.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.